In this tip of the day, let's take a look at the OneCNC center optimized closed pocket operation. Now, this strategy is only available within OneCNC Mill Expert, but it is the perfect strategy when roughing out pockets that have thin walls. Now, in this example, you can see we have a solid model, and this pocket, the majority of this pocket does have a thin wall. So let's head over to the Command Manager, select Stock Toolpaths, and Pocketing. I'm going to take my cursor and just simply left-hand mouse click the boundary of the pocket and right-click. And for this tool, instead of an end mill, let's use a bullnose tool. And for the tip radius, let's make that, how about 62 thousandths? That looks great. All right, so we'll click Next on that. And for depth, I'm going to use the Pick Z option and just snap a vertex right there at the bottom. There we go. That's at minus 750 thousandths. We'll click Next. So here we go, Center Optimized Closed. Now the reason why this is great for thin-walled pockets is it uses high-speed machining to rough out the center, and then while still using high-speed machining, it then works its way out to the perimeter of the pocket. Let's click Next on that. I'm going to go ahead and ramp helix into this, and for the helix diameter, I'm just going to use, let's just use something like 500 thousandths on that. Let's click Next. For step over, I'm going to make the step over a little smaller, maybe 65% of the tool diameter. And let's let OneCNC generate the toolpath. And here you go, you can see the toolpath starts at the center. High-speed machining does a great job of roughing that out. And then still using high-speed machining, it works its way out to the perimeter of the pocket. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.